Hey, hello guys. Am I audible? I hope my audio is audible. So, the first things first, let's get started. So, actually, I'm in this trade, so I have taken trade over here. So, basically, it was a very good long in the 4-hour FEG. I took a long position, keeping these lows as my stop loss and targeted these highs. It was a very good 5-hour trade for me. It was 6.8 hour, but due to the spreads, right, like how these things work. So, it was a brilliant 5-hour and it was more than 5-hour, but yeah, look at this, the pump. So yeah, basically the reason why I took the trade was in 4-hour time frame there was this very good rejection block which got violated, and for the same rejection block price has given a very good breaking and it has to mitigate the lows. So I just drawn these FVG, or you can call this as an efficiency. After marking this, if I just get into the 1 hour time frame, price has taken out this sell side liquidity, which could be called as a displacement or a manipulation, same thing, whatever you're gonna call. So it's a very good AMD session, like AMD setup. So if I just turn on the indicators, oh wait a second, if you can look at the indicators, Asia and London was more of accumulated, and we got the manipulation in the London lunch and mitigated. If you can see this in 15-minute time frame, it could be in breaker block entry as well. So yeah, that's how it went, and targeted the all-time highs. And yep, it could be targeted as the previous swing highs as well. So this was the setup. And looking at the crude oil, it was a short, no, going good, not bad. Daily time frame, taken out the lows, given a good change of character, but still mitigated this breaker block. 4 hour, not bad, mitigated this BPR, balanced price range. Again mitigated this order block, giving making new lows. Let's wait for price to give a closing below this. If we get a retest to this part, we're gonna go short again. What you guys are watching though? Apart from that, if we just look for trades in pairs, let's get started with the pairs of EU Let's wait for price to take out the previous day high. Yeah, we can expect some good lows after taking out the previous day high. Like in the meantime, we can also look for longs. But yeah, expanded too much. It's not my cup of tea. Let it be. Okay. It was a good trade. Main threshold. If it all price is mitigating this, I'm be going long, keeping the previous low as my stop loss and targeting the highs. I think इसका टाइम लगेगा लेकिन हाँ, this is a valid trade. Euro GBP taking out the highs. We can sell Euro GBP. We can go short actually. Let's wait for a good break. USD CHF sideways, better to ignore. AUD also same thing, like let's just not trade into it. NZD USD we can go short after getting an entry model inside this zone. For our, yeah, this could be a good short, guys. Yeah, definitely a good short in NZD USD. But still, I'm not trading since it is Friday. What is it? Something you feel like knowing more. If you got any questions or anything, let me know, guys. We're gonna discuss about that as well. Like it's a high time that we won't be getting any trades since it is a weekend, Fridays, and yeah. By the way, I got this move again from the bottom. It was an A plus setup. You want me to give the breakdown of the trade? Yeah, sure. Just give me a second. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's get started. So the reason why I took the trade was very easy. So it was a daily time frame. Okay, I'll just replay the chart. Replay. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just log into another account. I'm just logging in with another account. Give me 1 second. I hope my screen is visible. Guys, just let me know if you can see my screen. Okay, great. So let's look at gold in the weekly time frame. So I'm just removing everything. Remove. Okay, so here we go in there from the daily time frame. So we got a very good rejection block over there, which you can see, right? So this is something called a rejection block. Let me change the color. Border is black and text is red. Yeah. So in the 4-hour time frame, inside that break, like rejection block, once we get a break, what happens? It is a like obvious thing that it is going to retest, and till where it is going to retest, till the next POI. So the next POI is this FVG. So I just mark these as my FVG. Where it went? Yeah. Then I just waited for price to mitigate this. Then I shifted back to the 15-minute time frame. I waited for price to mitigate this particular POI. So once I get a mitigation to that PT, I waited for price to give a good closing above the previous high, which is this. What is this? Is called as a change of character and a breaker block, right? We got a structure break and also a good breaker block. So once we get a retest to this part, we can go and entry for it. If not, just mark. If you want to refine this, mark this order block, something like this, and the highs as your target, something like this. So yeah, this is the entry model. Got a good market structure shift. Now we just have to wait for price to mitigate this. If something like that happens, we can just keep our entries and stops and target till the highs. Okay, it's a very good mitigation. So yeah, as you can see, this is how it went. That's the trade. If you have any questions with this particular trade, let me know. Yeah, it was a very good 6.5 hour plus trade. Yeah, basically we don't get this type of trades in the weekend, but yeah, we got lucky, I would say. Oh yes, sir. I go live on every single day on the New York session. I just fine, bro. Not bad though. It's still, it's a very solid expansion. I don't think we'll be getting any trade today again. Like as per my experience, it just goes on extend. Yeah, it has also taken up the high. So as expected, dollar is dumping like anything. Maybe after taking all this low, we can expect a reversal and a slow momentum. Yeah, till 8:30 p.m. IST, we are getting a good drop or a good expansion in the gold. After that, it just that's it. Crude is also same thing. Shorts. Crude is directly correlated to the dollar index. Nope, no setups according to me. No boss. Like say anyway we won't be getting any trades. Like it's a stupid thing that we would look for trades and all. It's not going to work out. Like if you got any questions, let me know. Let's talk about that. If you're having an issue clearing your funded accounts or psychology issues or trading, whatever it is, discuss with me. I'm here to help you. Just same thing keeps on repeating. If you may ask me, we got a good shorting opportunity in NAS. Wait. This is something called opening gap. If at all I get a good solid market structure shift, I'm going short blindly. Anything in Indian market? Wait, what? Indian market closes at 3:30, sir. After 3:30, we won't be getting any trades. Actually, looking for shorts. According to this, yeah. So the thing is, if at all we get a good confirmation above this, like what I mean as a confirmation is, we get a closing above this, then we're gonna go long. If we get a closing below this, we're gonna go short. Simple as that. Same thing repeats here as well. If we get a closing above, we'll trade the retest long. If not, we'll look for the market structure shift towards the downside and go short. Yes, I do also trade in Indian markets. I used to, but not anymore. I'm done for the week though. For the coming week, like if I get only A plus setups, then I'll trade. If not, I'll just simply sit cash. I made like 2.5 percentage today. I'm good for the entire week. What are you guys are watching though? Okay, so let's see. I knew it. I knew it. It's a good shots. Chalo, let's go. Like after getting a good closing below the previous low, which means this low, we can keep our stops to cost. So this could be the low. If we get a closing below this, then we can trial our stop loss. We need a good closing. It's not like a wick or anything. We need a very good closing, like at least 3 or 5 minute time frame. Not bad. Good one. It's a good time to keep our stops to cost. How many of you trade futures here? Yes, futures. If you trade forex, just type in forex. If trade futures, type in futures, so that I could know, which thing I should focus more on. I'm in from FEG 1020. Okay, that's good. 1020. Okay, you're in short or long? Okay, this one. No entry for you. Okay. Why though? Why didn't you take an entry? Okay, forex, not bad. Long, it took a break. Oh, okay. So you went long. So like that's what I was skeptical about. Like the price action wasn't bearish. Anyway, even this is also not so sure short. We might get a stop be after mitigating this POI. Like after this, we'll be booking some partials. Then we'll just let it run. Previous day lows we've been daily had SMTs that was on. To be honest, SMTs are not working out in these days. Like I've been trying that since last 2 weeks. They're not working how it used to do before. Hmm. Yes, Harun, I'm Kalyan. You remember me? I think I remember you from Heavenak, I guess. Is that you? I remember Joseph. I know him. You got with your exams, Joseph? No, damn. I'm glad, buddy. It's a beautiful day. Nice. So good to see you back. How you doing though? Making it as a trader look. Harun have hands. Even Vansh is also from Heaven's Spire. Like even Joseph, Vansh, Harun, and even Aditya is also from Heaven's Spire. I mean the same arc. Like how you doing, Harun? Like you got funded though. Like you mentioned that you got funded before. Like it was 6 months before, I guess. You sent a text or you called me. That's a good banger. Yeah, it will reach to the targets today, guys. Like, not exactly we'll get a sharp move. We'll get a very good consolidating move. Yep, bye. When I'll also wind up this. Okay, guys, then I'll catch you tomorrow. Like, we'll do this weekly analysis thing. I'll update about this trade in the Discord channel. If you're somebody new joining our stream, kindly join our Discord channel. It is for absolutely free. And yeah, that's for the day. And if you want any trade breakdowns, whatever the trade I take and everything, you can get there, and you can always ask any one of us. So nice talking to you guys. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye.